Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing about hypoxia and types of hypoxia. The term hypoxia refers to the reduced or decreased availability of oxygen to the body tissues, or even if in some conditions oxygen may be present but the tissues are unable to utilize it. The hypoxia is classified into four types. They are the hypoxic hypoxia, anemic hypoxia, stagnant hypoxia, and the histotoxic hypoxia. The hypoxic hypoxia. The name itself indicates that there is a decreased oxygen content. So, in hypoxic hypoxia, there is a reduced oxygen content in the blood. It happens when the atmosphere surrounding us doesn't provide enough oxygen due to the low oxygen tension. When we move to the high altitude where the oxygen content is less. Pathologically, it happens in the asthma or some respiratory disorders. Now, the anemic hypoxia. It is due to the inability of blood to carry enough amount of oxygen. In the previous case of hypoxic hypoxia, where there is a reduced oxygen content, but in the anemic hypoxia, we will observe getting enough amount of oxygen, but the blood is unable to carry it. So, it occurs due to the decreased RBC count or decreased hemoglobin content in the blood, which decreases the oxygen carrying capacity. The third one, that is the stagnant hypoxia. It is the hypoxia which is caused by the decreased velocity of blood flow. Causes for this stagnant hypoxia arises from congestive heart failure or the embolism, hemorrhage. In all these conditions, we will observe a reduced blood flow. Now the last one, the histotoxic hypoxia. In this hypoxia, tissues get enough amount of oxygen and the blood is able to carry the enough amount of oxygen to the tissues and the blood flow is nice, but the tissues are unable to utilize the oxygen. It occurs mainly because of cyanide or sulfide poisoning, which interferes with the uptake of oxygen by the tissues. Cyanides and sulfides are the poisonous substances, so they destroy the oxidative enzymes and make the tissues unable to utilize the oxygen.